it going to take over the web?
I actually had this conversation with the client yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah, and no. So you've seen it in coding, but we've seen it mostly for content. And the person that I was meeting with was a writer, and so was not excited about AI. Has used it for inspiration, but trusts herself in terms of what she's doing and what her staff are doing. And so they're using it minimally, but they do see it becoming more adopted on the technology side of things, or they're more willing to adopt it on the technology side.
I would agree. That's exactly what I'm seeing as well. I think it's staff augmentation, not staff replacement.
Yes.
So it's making you faster doing stuff. I think it's great at allowing the creatives to brainstorm, maybe give you ideas, give you stuff that you can actually take and move on from. I think it is going to come into coding, but maybe not in the way we think it is. I think it has a lot of value in, say, watching to make sure things aren't broken. I can see it really owning that space. Oh, my website's broken, or this QA piece didn't pass. Maybe we almost stuck in the QA process, and now this AI can go on and do it. So I see that, and I'm seeing more and more developers starting to use it the same way that writers are. Give me the outline and then I fill in all the details. So it'll be interesting. I think it will greatly affect us over the next 10 years. I also think that right now it's an interesting spot because if you're adopting it fully, you're ahead of the curve. Well, eventually that's going to flow in and everyone's going to be using it. So is the value going to now start going down? Because I see it definitely on the content and the creative side. I don't think it's going to have the same capacity for creativity that the human mind does.
No.